In this video, I will show you how to put an icon for your app instead of the Flutter logo. Let's start this right now. First, you will need to go on the internet and you will write on Google, by example, icon launcher Flutter. And we will find the link from pub.dev Flutter launcher icon. We click on this one. Good. Now this is what we a dependencies or a package, and we will use this in order to generate an icon for our app. It's the most easiest way to do it. First, we need to go on installing, and you will take this, you will copy this. Maybe you will have the newest version, but that's good. You can take the newest version, no problem. You go back inside your code, and we will go back inside the file pubspec.yalm. Did you remember this one? Let's click on this and we will add inside. So if we go back in the website where it is, okay, you see they told us to put this, okay, under dependencies. Good. This is what we will do. So we have dependencies and we will add just under Flutter. So at the same line, we will add this. And next, we will click on the little arrow. And this will get the package. Good? So we are waiting. It is currently doing Flutter pub get. If you don't have the arrow and you work with an Android Studio, you can still do Flutter pub get. It's the same thing. Good. So now we have it. That's great. What we need next is an image. And what I did previously is I went on the website I showed you just the video before, and I get myself an icon. Good. I will put this icon inside the image folder. And I call it this icon launcher icon. Easy as this. And it's a transparent behind. Good. So that's awesome. We have the icon that we want to put there. And what else we need to do? So I will go inside the README. Okay. This is all the steps they ask us to do. We will go down and they told us you need to add this. Okay. So we will add all of this. They told us to put the Flutter launcher icon under dev dependencies. Okay. We did kind of the same. We put it under dependencies. Is good. We will change it after maybe. And then we need to add also, let's copy all of this. Never mind. It's because you see, they ask us to put it under dev dependencies, and inside this one installing, they ask us to put it under dependencies, which is not the same thing, but whatever. I will remove this one and I will put it under dev dependencies instead. Okay. I will remove this. And as you can see, we have Flutter test and Flutter launcher icon. We have also Flutter icon, Android, blah, 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 image path. Inside the image path, we need to put the path of the image, which is the launcher icon. And I remove this and I say launcher icon.png. That's awesome. Next, I will click again on get package. And now we should have everything to set up the last thing. I will go back in the website. Now what they ask us in the README, they ask us if we go down, run the package. So what we will do is Flutter pub get, we did it, it's the arrow. And now we need to say Flutter run launcher icon main. And this will set up everything. So we go inside the terminal and we paste this and we say enter. Good. I will take back the application. And now if we restart, you will see that the app should not, you see, the image is not there yet. We need to close the app. So we will stop the app and we relaunch it. And because we are not in the main file, the play button is not available. You can always use the run and start debugging also. So I will play on this and I will launch the application. Also, you see we have everything done successfully. So you see successfully generate launcher icon. That's great. You will have the same thing. And now I will just fast forward until the application launch. Okay, the application is ready. If we go back inside the menu, you can see we have an icon for our app. That's awesome. This is what we wanted to do for this video, and we did it. So that's it for this one, and see you in the next video. Bye.